Hi, my name is Venkat. I am the chief world largest and highest CTO. CTO. Because I wanted to tell you, the real, deepest. Because I always, I always, I'm a salesperson. Because I always to be a delight with my customer because the lot of failures is my success. I failed many things. Suppose if I give a quotation for 100 numbers, I may win one or two only. My failure is lot of learnings. I learned it, and really thankful to you. The 5 habits, I'll take it up from the books. Whatever I missed it, surely I'll become the best CTO. Surely I will do the learning. And thanks for the opportunity given to our company management has really chosen a very good subject. That's what I told Gopi. How did he chosen him? Last time also I missed it, and really it's a wonderful session. We earned it, and it's a really good one. Thanks, Sachin.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are a senior. World best senior.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. De, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.